In today's video, we're focusing on the hardware section of the MikroTik website. We'll go step by step through the main hardware area and its categories, so you can quickly find the devices you're looking for and understand what each section offers. When you hover over the hardware icon in the top menu, you'll see a list of subcategories that let you jump directly to what you need. Click New to view the latest MikroTik hardware releases in one place. If you click Hardware, you'll land on the full hardware catalog, similar to what you saw on the homepage. Besides the main 8 hardware categories on the web page, you can find extra categories under More. When you open any main categories, each product card includes a short description and clear icons to make the key details easy to understand at a glance. Use the search bar to quickly find a specific product by name or model. You can also narrow the list using filters, including status, wired interface, option range, features, architecture, and operation system. Click any product card to open its dedicated product page, where MikroTik puts almost everything related to that device. You'll typically find product photos, videos, a clear overview, full specifications, and test results, including Ethernet and IPsec performance. Each product also includes a unique product code, which helps when searching for the exact model and communicating with retailers. You'll also find documentation downloads, which may vary by product, such as brochures, safety and regularity information, block diagrams, and user manuals. Finally, there is a download section with files related to that product, and if you need more tools or software, you can jump to the main download page. To compare 2 or more products, use the comparison icon on the product card. This lets you view the specifications side by side, and you can even switch the view to show only the differences. On the MikroTik Canada YouTube channel, we also have a dedicated hardware playlist where we break down devices using official MikroTik resources and explain what each product is best suited for in real-world use. An important note: to buy MikroTik products, you'll need to go through distributors and resellers because MikroTik does not sell directly to end users. We'll cover the purchasing process more in the distributor section. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a complete understanding of the new MikroTik website. If there's anything, we appreciate your comments and feedback. So feel free to drop your questions and comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming videos.